Hey guys, my name is Nikon and today we will be doing abstract art, and here are a few examples of what we've made. So for this abstract art, you're supposed to put a bunch of maybe all the colors you have all over the canvas, and then you put black on one side or the other, whichever of the four sides you want, and then let's say the black is on this side and the colors are all over here. You take the napkin and swipe from where the black is, and then it should turn out something like this one. Now let's start painting. But first we have to prepare the black and the white. You put silicone oil in them both, and then you put glue in them both, and then you put water so you can mix them properly so the silicone oil and glue don't show up. But the glue is to make it thinner, and then the silicone oil is for the cells. So here are all the colors we have. We're going to put them all over the canvas and then put the black on. Now we pour black. So now let's see what the final result's going to be after this swipe. We're going to put a bit more silicone oil. So this is a beautiful result. It's easier than we thought to make it.